I traveled from Abeokuta to Lagos for the 17th week of fair. And guys, yeah, what I got. I got all this. So let's start unboxing, guys. Where do I start from? The whole lot. Let's start with this. I don't remember. It's funny how I can't remember most of what I got. Oh yeah, I got lashes. There was this brand called the Eye brand. Yeah, and I got this lashes from them. I really like them. They are so fluffy. Yeah. And for their gifts, they gave me this. This is face cream. Yes, a Korean face cream. Yeah, and I got it. Yeah, so it's down. I also got from Maybelline. I got this Fit Me foundation, and I also got this concealer. I've been saying I wanted this concealer for the longest time, so I got them. I also went to Sopro stand. Yeah, Sopro jelly, and I got this Sopro spray. Yes, and also this. This is their lip gloss in Pro. I saw a makeup artist post it on TikTok that this lip gloss is really nice. That's why I got it. Yeah, this. I like the color. The color is already making me feel so happy. I got this from Ren Beauty Cosmetics. Yeah, I was just going. I wanted to go and spin the wheel, and this lady was just dancing next to me. I just decided to just buy something just to encourage her dancing. And I think what I got was this lipstick. Yeah, I got this lipstick. Yeah, I like the color. One very nice dark red. Yeah. And I don't know if you know, but Ren, this cosmetic brand, was previously known as Vessi Gold. Yeah, because while I was in school, I was using them. Yeah. So they gave me these gifts. This beauty blender. I got this, and when I went to spin the wheel, I got try again later, but they gave me beauty blender and this lovely ant fan. Yeah, I actually like the color. It looks really cute. Yeah, that is that. God, at this point, I think I have to carry this nylon off my legs. Then, yeah. So I went to Candy Signature yesterday, and I will say that I got half of what I wanted from her. Yeah, and that was because I saw a price list and they were really, really affordable. So I also got this lash spray. I really liked it, so I like all the lashes on it, and I decided to go for it. For my free gifts, I was giving this. Yeah, I actually got two free gifts from her because actually I got a lot from her. I actually wanted a toner, and I was asking for Dr. Rachel's toner because I need Dr. Rachel. The toner, I just like the fact that I have a toner. And they told you to buy this. God, I hope the shower does not affect my skin. I just want something to just make me feel like breathing, and I decided to opt for it. I also got this foundation, this L'Oreal True Match foundation in B11. Yeah, I have a shade like this, but it's almost finished, so I decided to buy it. Also from Candy Signature, I got this beautiful Posh. Really nice. I like it. Okay, so I got some white glam beauty also yesterday. Got some pigments. I got it in peach and in jesty. Yeah, I don't remember the prices I got all these things anymore, but I knew that my account balance yesterday was red. Yes, I got this. This is in jesty. And this is in peach. Okay, from Color Beauty, I bought an eye pencil. This is it in blue. Yeah. Again from Copro. I actually got a lot of sets of soap. I wonder I did not get this yesterday. Yeah, so I got a lipstick in Omo. Yeah. I've been using Ava lip stains in this shade, but I just wanted something like this, and God, it looks really nice and luxurious. So yes, from Sopro, some nice lip glosses. Like they're looking so luxurious. Honestly, I had to scoop them up. I had to see, like looking so nice. So I got this in this veil. It's giving this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Okay, this is peachy. Yeah, this peachy is also a nice. It looks really nice. I just took them. Like these lip gloss are too fine. Yeah, so I was also at the girls' corner stand yesterday, and I got Taylor's Glow. I also got my face wash. Yes, I got this Nuban Beauty in mustard. And also Maybelline again. I got this Super Stay Powder foundation and with light. And this video logo. I also had this video logo. I think this is an Alabama. Probably she just used it. So I got lashes from her. I got these lashes. I also got a beauty blender. I got beauty blender from her. And also this Kiss Beauty eyeliner. I got this from Cindy's. Yes, Cindy's Beauty. There's Candy, there's Cindy's. I got from both of them. So I got this 3-in-1 bag pouch. I need it for some of my makeup products. So I got this. I also got brush set, the camera brush set from her. I got this lash glue, face off. These are the gifts, Cindy's creation are the gifts. Yeah. I got these pencils from her. Taron Lazy mascara from nude glosses. I got them. I got this. I got my Brownmatic by Damiel also. I also went to Zickel store, and honestly, what I wanted to buy from Zickel store, I am hot. Tell me when they don't have my new story or a new story. I really liked that brand. They stopped making it for now, but they will continue with that. So they had this bare lip gloss. It was looking okay. It looked like it, but there was a particular shade I was looking for in that a new story, which is what's the name? Looking for that shade blonde, but I could not get it. But I think the blonde is similar to that Supro lip gloss I got. So gave me this as free gifts. Just took it though, because it's a brown and it's lovely. I didn't even check. I just picked it. Yes. I got this one on impulse. This gold day, yeah. I think I just want it for content. I got it on impulse, really. Yes. Later, when I was going home, I was wondering again, if why did you buy it? I bought it already. So hopefully this is what I want. And it's cute. It's actually cute. I hope they are pigmented. Looks really nice, really. From Omarico, yeah, I actually really liked their services yesterday. The girls were so nice and loving. So I got these two lip pencils from them. Very nice. I've heard really nice things about this lip pencils. So I decided to buy it. I went to my friend there. So we bought this rich brown together. So I also got this Omarico bronzed babe. Yeah. I just like the fact that it's a cute mini stick. So everything is all for content, though. All for content. So I got this from them. For Blossom, I got their African palette, their African Queen eyeshadow palette. I got it for a client. Then I was also at the Yanga store yesterday, and I got this. This is their concept. I also got the eyeliner and the free gifts. They had this stuff that came with it. Norban Beauty store, and I got this Norban Beauty. I also saw this cute mirror at Day Good to Beauty. Like it's so cute, and I feel like it would be so nice for my content. So let's just buy it, and yeah, we have it. Small brush. I can't remember who gave it to me. Okay, is that the video? I don't know. I think it's Alabama that gave me. I'm not sure. So I like it. It's actually soft. So it's soft. And I got this from Blossom as their free gifts. I got a lot of lipsticks yesterday. Nice. Oh yes. Finally emptied it. So yeah, all I got. I hope you loved my unboxing. If you did, kindly like, share, and follow.